Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking which Google Play account Efootball currently uses. This avoids accidental loss. Once confirmed, back up your Konami ID and link it to the email you control, because this preserves progress and purchases. Make sure your phone is signed into the Google account you want to switch to, and enable two-step verification if required. Now open Android settings and navigate to accounts. These first actions ensure you can safely change the Google Play linkage without breaking saves or losing spend history. Next, remove the old Google Play account from your device or switch accounts in the Play Store to the target profile. This makes the app request the new account. Then clear eFootball cache and app data so the game resets its local account tokens. Go to Settings App's eFootball storage and tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. Once done, open Google Play, confirm the intended account is active, then launch eFootball so the game prompts for sign-in with the new Google Play identity. Finally, sign into your Konami ID inside eFootball using the new Google Play account or link an existing Konami ID. This reconnects cloud saves and purchases. Once linked, go to Settings account to restore any cloud save or verify in-app purchases. If you see mismatched progress, force stop and reinstall the app, then sign in again. This often clears lingering tokens. Quick troubleshooting tip: if linking fails, contact Konami support with your Konami ID, Google account email, and a screenshot of the error for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.